Hey, I'm Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because my channel is about building our businesses, having multiple side hustles, and also self-care. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And this video is going to be an updated version of one of my first videos, it was actually my second video, which was my 6 streams of income, which I bumped it up a notch. We're at 9 now. So, and also, if you have any streams of income, drop how many streams you have below in my comment section. So I wanted to do this video because I feel like a lot has changed with me as far as the direction that I don't know if I would call it my career, my entrepreneurship journey, but regardless of what I choose to call it, so much has changed because I chose to step out of my comfort zone and just get behind camera. I've been able to add a couple more streams of income that have been very lucrative for me. So if you're interested in learning about the different streams of income that I have, make sure you go ahead and stay tuned because we're going to go ahead and get started. So my first stream of income is from my personal website, which is imdestinyadams.com, which is business consulting. So on that website, I offer different resources to help people with their business. I have business plan templates because one of the things about me that I find very important when starting a new business is to make sure you have a business plan. So I have a business plan template on there. I have a guide to starting your online business. I offer website audits. I offer one-on-one strategy sessions. And also, since I'm in the beauty industry, I offer vendor lists. So if you want to start getting into the beauty industry where you want to sell hair, lashes, private label products, then I have a list for you. But one of the things I want to say about this stream of income is that even though I just started it in June of this year, this stream brings in more money per month than all of my other streams put together. Because when I started this stream of income, the first product I had was my business plan template. And my business plan template was one of those things that I knew that creating a business plan was very important. So I wanted to make sure that I let my audience know that they too need a business plan before starting their business. And it actually started doing very well. So I have it on my website now for $50. That product sells more than any other products that I have on that website. And actually it sold more than any product that I had since I've been an entrepreneur. So, and one of the things, like not even to give you guys a pep talk, but one of the things I do want to say is that if you have an idea, make sure you put that idea out there because you never know if it's going to blow up and you don't want to take the chance of not starting it and that could have been your number one product. So my second stream of income, which most of you know me from, is Destite Hair Collection, which we sell bundles, closures, frontals, and wigs. And that is housed on my website, www.destite.com. And also at our storefront as well, located in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And Destite Hair Collection is one of the first businesses that I started, and that was in 2016. So Destite is my first baby. So that's actually my first business to where people actually saw my capability when it comes to branding, marketing, doing my social media ads. Destite was like, I would say Destite is like my personal project because that's the one that I use. Like every single thing that I learned about business came from me launching that business. So whenever you think of me, you probably think of Destite, you think of hair, which this is actually hair from my collection. It's our curly texture. So yeah, that's my second stream of income. My third stream of income, which is actually connected to my second stream, which is my salon, Destite Hair Collection. So in the salon, I have 2 stylists that do hair. I used to make wigs, but I don't make them anymore. But if you want a wig, you can still stop by the salon and get one made. And I started the salon back in, it's been since 2018 we opened, February of 2018, which is going on almost 3 years since we've been in business. And you know, with the salon, you have a lot of ups and downs. So it's been an interesting journey. So we'll see if it makes it past 2020. We'll see. My fourth stream of income, which is a very small one, which is just my lash line, which is Her Destination Lashes. And with my lash line, it's just a vacation lash line that's named after different destinations around the world. Like today I'm wearing if you can see them, like today I'm wearing our Dubai lash. And with my lash line, you can either purchase the lashes in store at Destite Hair Collection or online. You can go to www.herdestinationlashes.com or you can also click the portal from Destite.com. So make sure you go ahead and check out some of the lashes that I have in my collection. You won't be disappointed, I promise. So my fifth stream of income is actually my t-shirt line. So I'm wearing one of the shirts today, which is the I Get Paid to Be Here shirt. So I launched my t-shirt line back in July, which was actually on my birthday. So we have a bunch of different sayings on t-shirts. We have the I Get Paid to Be Here shirt. We have our Bossy shirt, our Middleman shirt. So all of my shirts have to do with traveling and business. So it's a way that I was able to combine both of everything that I love into just one product. So if you're curious about checking out the designs that I have, you can go to IamDestinyAdams.com. So one of the things that's unique about my t-shirt line is that I designed all of my shirts. I chose the colors. And one thing about my t-shirt line is I chose the colors black and white because I wanted to play on it's either this or that. So with my black and white shirts, like I Get Paid to Be Here, it's you either get paid to be here or you don't get paid to be here. So all of my shirts have that same thing. It's either this or that. So I want to do black and white so it can play off that whole wordplay. And then another thing about my t-shirt line is that I created the branding. I did all my marketing. I did my photo shoot concepts. So everything about the t-shirt line is just all me. And a fun fact behind my t-shirt line is that when I started IamDestinyAdams.com doing my business consulting, I had a lot of people with clothing brands that wanted help. And one thing about me is that, one, I'm able to help, but I need to be able to prove that I'm able to help. One of the things I wanted to make sure is that as I'm helping people with their clothing line, I can also sell my own clothing. So we sold out of our first line of shirts. So it's been going very well, which I don't know if I'm going to continue the t-shirt line because I'm moving with a different direction with IamDestinyAdams.com. So make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel so you stay up to date on everything that I'll be releasing. So my sixth stream of income, which is what I'm doing here now, which is my YouTube channel. So I started my YouTube channel at the end of January, and I started that channel because I wanted to get over my fear of public speaking. So when I started my YouTube channel, I had no idea what it would turn into. And my YouTube channel has grown so much. I believe right now, as I'm recording this video, we're at 3,900 subscribers. And if you're watching this now, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. In order to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And I was able to meet both of those thresholds back in August. So I've only been monetized for approximately 1.5, 2 months. So I actually just got my first YouTube check, which I'm going to do a video on that because my first YouTube check was a little bit over $500, but that was just for the month of August. And already in the month of September, I've been able to double that amount. Well, not double it, actually. It's at 900 right now, but we still have 9 days left in this month based on when I'm going to upload this video. So one of my main goals right now is to continue growing my YouTube channel because I want to at least get up to 5,000 to 10,000 per month just from YouTube alone. So if you're watching this video, you're helping me on my journey already, which I appreciate it. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed. My seventh stream of income comes from affiliate marketing, which my main one is Amazon influencing. So if you watch my YouTube video, like in breakfast, like I did a video on packaging and shipping. I had small business essentials. So in those videos, you'll notice that I list every single product out that I purchased for my business. And if it came from Amazon, there's different Amazon links. So anytime you purchase from one of those links, I get a percentage of the sale. So right now, I believe most of the time I can make from 100 to, like, if the video is doing very well, the most I've seen from that is $300. So it's roughly $100 to $300 per month just from recommending different products on Amazon. And if you're interested in something like that, I'm going to drop a link to it below because especially if you're a business owner and if you're on YouTube, it's great to recommend those different products so your audience can also go out and buy them. And then you can get a percentage of it and add that as an extra stream of income that doesn't even take that much work for you to earn. My eighth stream of income is actually my first digital product that I created, which was my travel ebook. So my travel ebook, I believe I launched this back in November of 2019. So my travel ebook has all the different things that I use. Well, not even different things, all the different tools that I use to book cheap flights, cheap hotels, how I find different activities. So anything relating to travel is in that ebook. But since its launch, we've done over 500 copies. And that's another one of those things where if you have an idea, just put it out, because you never know how well it's going to do. And I actually still have that travel ebook still available for purchase on IamDestinyAdams.com. So if you're interested in travel, well, especially once everything is, well, I know a lot of people are still traveling right now. So if you just need some extra tips and tricks, head over to IamDestinyAdams.com and check that out. So my ninth and final stream of income comes from my 9-to-5. Yes, I still have a 9-to-5, which if you watch the first video, you know that I'm a social worker. So with my 9-to-5, I pretty much like to keep this on the back burner just in case something happens, which I don't know how much longer I'm going to be working my 9-to-5. So we're going to go ahead and throw that manifestation out there. This might be the last year. Next year might be the last year. And one of the reasons that I'm holding on to it is because of the student loan repayment program, which if you work 10 years for a government agency, then they wipe away your student loans, which I'm not even sure if I'm going to need that still. So we're going to keep our fingers crossed on this. So yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video today. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you have some streams of income that you think will be good for me to add, make sure you drop them in the comment section below. Or if you have any questions, comments, concerns, also drop that in the comment section below. If you want to follow me on social media, my personal pages, I am Destiny Adams, and I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. For my business, The Traveling Hair Boss, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. For anything hair related is Destite Hair Collection, which we're on Instagram and Facebook. Oh, and also I'm on Twitter and Snapchat for I Am Destiny Adams. Make sure you check out my website, www.IamDestinyAdams.com, because that pretty much has links to every single thing that I have going on. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one.